Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this BOSE SoundSport. So I am going to show you how to pair this to the smart device. So without wasting any time, let me open this. So this is the SoundSport of BOSE. So I am going to turn on the device first. You can see here. So there is a button here and there is battery symbol and as well as Bluetooth symbol. So I am going to turn on this device by single press here. You can see now single press, this is in the pairing mode. Blue color light is blinking here. So I'm just searching for the device here. You can see BOSE SoundSport has come at the top. So I'm just clicking it. So it is asking the access to contacts and call history. So I'm just ticking the radio button here, checkbox here, and clicking the pair button. So done. The device is connected. As of now the battery percentage is 70 of this device. So now I am going to play a song to show you a small demo. If you have earphones or headphones, please put on that so that you can listen the audio quality of this BOSE SoundSport. So I am going to use my studio mic here. So I am going to play a song here.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
This is the other side.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played.
So I'm just pausing the song here. Even you can raise the volume and decrease the volume in these buttons, and even you can play pause using the center button. This button is used to take the calls and disconnect the calls because this has mic here as well. So this is the basic steps how to pair the BOSE SoundSport wireless. So alright, this video might help you how to pair the BOSE SoundSport wireless. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.